Waste is more than just waste. Those who dispose of and recycle it properly create new resources, new raw material that flows back into the ecological cycle. This is a cycle that protects the environment and generates profit. Around 1,000 tons of waste are delivered to the Hagenholz facility every day from the city of Zurich and the surrounding area. The Hagenholz waste incineration plant in Zurich is one of the most innovative of its kind in the world. The heat generated in the incinerator is not wasted, but is used to create a new, cost-effective source of energy. Electricity generation makes a significant contribution to sustainability and financing. Here, in the boiler, processed steam is generated from heat and water. The steam is also supplied to the University Hospital in Zurich, for example. The steam turbine, in turn, converts the processed steam into energy, which covers the consumption of 35,000 households in the city of Zurich. The steam is taken from the turbine and fed into the heating water condenser. This now heats the water for the district heating network to 100 degrees Celsius. In this way, the Hagenholz waste incineration plant produces hot water and district heating for approximately 80,000 households per year. A locally developed processing technology allows 2,000 tons of high-grade metals to be recovered every year. Iron, aluminum, stainless steels, copper, brass, zinc, silver, and gold. As a result, it will be possible to recover almost 100% of the metals contained in the slag in the future. Customers with cars and small delivery vans can unload their waste in the recycling center. The recyclable material is separated and sent for further recycling. Combustible waste is sent to the waste bunker via compressors. The plant operates economically thanks to revenues from district heating, electricity, recovery, and public waste disposal services. The Hagenholz Waste Incineration Plant stands for a new, progressive, and sustainable form of waste incineration.